चेयरमैन पीपल्स पार्टी और साबिक वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी कहते हैं कि पाक ईरान तनाज़ में इजाफे का इम्कान नहीं, मामले को सिफारती सतह पर हल कर लिया जाएगा। अल जज़ीरा टीवी को इंटरव्यू में बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने खबरदार किया कि अगर पाक ईरान तनाज़ा बढ़ा तो खित्ते में कशीदगी बढ़ेगी।
That we do not see an escalation in this crisis. I hope that there is diplomatic engagement. The whole of the region could be affected by an escalation in these tensions. I'm all the more surprised that such an attack or such an incident took place, given the multiple levels of communication and institutional mechanisms for sharing concerns between Pakistan and Iran, many of which we created over the last 18 months when I was Foreign Minister of Pakistan. And what's all the more surprising was that our Prime Minister was with their Foreign Minister on the day of this attack. Presumably no concern was shared in that meeting